What's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial. My name is Emmanuel. In this tutorial, we'll be creating the sample of the logo we have on our screen here. This logo was created by Dennis Creative, one of the top graphic design YouTubers in Nigeria. You can check his channel for more designs like this. If you're a new subscriber, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing we want to do when it comes to creating logos like this is to sketch. I advise you sketch your logos because it makes it easier for you to draw them. So I have a sketch I have created for this logo, and I'll select this and hit on the delete button to remove it. Head on to the plus arrow here and to my gallery, and I'll locate the sketch I have and I'll bring it onto my design. Now I have it there, and I'll just crop it a little bit, crop it like this, and I bring it onto my design, and I'll scale it up like this, and I have it over here nicely. So the next thing I want to do is to use my guide. This is very important because it helps me in positioning my design. So I head onto the grid icon, and then I just select this and I place it on top of this over here, and I select this and I bring it down over here, and I have this way, and I have this way. So now that I have my sketch in place, the next thing I want to do is head on to the Bezier tool because I want to remove the first point there. So I head on to the X arrow and I click on it to remove it, and this is the move icon here, and I'll move my point to this particular place because this is where I'm starting, and I drop it there, and I head on to the plus arrow, and then I use this line as my guide. So I drop a line here, and then I drop another line here, drop another here, and I drop another here, and I drop another here. So I head on to the move tool here for this Bezier tool, and I begin to work on this line so that it follows my sketch. So now you can see the importance of this sketch when it comes to logo creation, right? It makes it easier for you to just trace on your design nicely. So I'll just follow this and ensure it's properly done. I'll just ensure it's properly done, and I have it here nicely. So I head on to the plus icon and I just drop another line here, and as you can see, we have reached the end of this and we want to close it, and you can see this note here is for closing. So we'll click on it and we have it closed that way. We'll head on to the move icon here and we'll make some adjustment to our logo. So adjust it so that we have it nice and good. So I think our sketch is looking okay, so we'll just give it a fill color and we'll click check. Yeah, and we'll have it there nicely. Make a little adjustment to that by clicking on the edit button here, and then we'll make a little adjustment here, just a little adjustment this way, make a little adjustment here as well, and we have it there nicely. So we'll head on to the layers icon and we'll lock this to have it in place. So the next thing we want to do is to sketch this other part of the logo, and we'll head on to our Bezier tool, and then we'll delete one of these points, and we'll use the Bezier move tool and we'll drag it over here, and we have it here nicely. And then want to click on the plus icon and we drag it over here, we have it over here, and then we'll continue with our sketch, and we'll lock it. So we'll use this move tool to arrange our angles, arrange it properly so that it matches our sketch. think we have it there nicely, and then we'll just give this a fill and we'll check, and we'll head on to our layers panel here, and then we'll lock it to have it in place. So the next one we want to create is that other part of the logo, and we'll just use our Bezier tool, and then we'll remove one of the points, select the Bezier move tool, and we'll drop it at this point, and we'll use the plus key and we'll add. So we'll simply use the move tool here to arrange this and have it properly in place. We have it, and I think this is better, so let's just give it a fill color. Let's give it a fill color. So we're going to hide this layer here. Now that we have it here, the next thing we want to do is to give it some kind of color effect. So we'll select this, and then we'll head on to color. We'll enable the color, and then we'll go to gradient. We want it to be a gradient of 2 colors, so we'll select this first color, and then we'll edit it. We want it to be a little bit lighter, and we'll click OK, and we'll select this, we'll edit, and we want it to be darker somewhere around here, and we'll click on OK, and we'll check. So we'll select this as well, and then we want to give this to a color. So with that selected, we'll head on to color, and then we'll enable it, and we'll head on to gradient, and we'll use the same gradient as that. So with that selected, we'll make a duplicate, we'll make a copy, and then we'll leave it over here, and then we'll pick our max tool. Want to create an effect on this, and then we'll just max it out. Just kind of max it out like this, and we'll enable it, and we'll click on OK. So now that we have it there, we'll head on to color, and we'll go to gradient. We'll head on to color, and we'll go to gradient, and we want to edit this to something lighter around here. Click on OK. I will select this as well, and we'll edit it to somewhere around here, and we'll click on OK, and we have it. And we want to drag it all the way and position it somewhere around here just to fit in with this properly. We'll check, and we'll use the positioning tool to align it properly. So head on to the positioning tool, and we'll try to align it properly this way. So we want to blend our colors, so we'll head on to color, and then to gradient, and we'll select this, and we'll try to edit it so that we'll have a nice blend there. So we'll just drag this out, and we'll just drag this in, and we'll click OK, and we'll check, and we have it there nicely. So we want to head on to our layers panel, and then we want to group all of this together so that we'll have a single layer. So we'll just mesh this together, and we have it there as a single layer, and we'll scale it all the way down. I want to take away these grid lines. Let's change the color of our background from what we have there to a white color, so that we have it there, and we'll check. Next thing we want to do is to type the text for our logo. So we'll head on to the plus icon here, and then text, and we have it, and we'll edit, and we have King Noble. So we'll click on OK, and then we'll head on to font. And we'll use this, so we'll scale it up a bit, and we'll head on to color, and we'll change the color of that from what we have there to a black color. So we'll select our logo, and then we'll position it to the center, vertically, horizontally, so that we have it at the center. And we'll select our text, and we'll position it at the center as well. So we'll use this positioning tool to just move it down a little bit. Text King Noble nicely there. So we'll head on to the plus icon, and we'll add the second text, which is signature of excellence. Subscribe to this channel if you got value for this. Kindly leave this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Support the channel, please. So we have our text signature of excellence, and we have it there nicely. So we want to reduce our text all the way down. So we'll head on to size, and we'll reduce it all the way down to about 17, and we'll click OK. Change the color to black, and I want to change the font as well. We'll change the font. So we'll just increase the size a bit. So guys, as you can see, our logo is looking good and nice, and we've come to the end of this tutorial. So if you got value for this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, kindly subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.